Have you ever noticed tiny ridges running from the base to the tip of your nails? You're not alone. Vertical nail ridges are extremely common, but what do they actually mean? Are they a sign of aging, a nutrient deficiency, or something more serious? In this video, we'll uncover the truth about vertical nail ridges, what they reveal about your health, and whether you should be concerned. So stick around, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Section 1. What are vertical nail ridges? First things first, what exactly are vertical nail ridges? These are thin, raised lines that run from the base, cuticle, to the tip of your nail. They might be barely noticeable or more pronounced, depending on various factors like age, nutrition, and overall health. They are also known as longitudinal ridges and are different from horizontal ridges, Bowes lines, which can indicate more serious health issues. Are they normal? Yes. Most people will develop vertical nail ridges over time, and in many cases, they are a completely natural part of the aging process. However, if the ridges appear suddenly, become very deep, or come with other symptoms like brittle, discolored, or splitting nails, they might indicate an underlying issue, which we'll explore in the next sections. Now, let's find out what causes them. Part 2. Common causes of vertical nail ridges. Now that you know what vertical nail ridges are, let's talk about what causes them. In most cases, they're harmless, but sometimes, they can be a warning sign from your body. Mantelpiece clock 1. Natural aging, the most common cause. Just like wrinkles on your skin, vertical ridges on your nails are a natural part of the aging process. As we age, our bodies produce less keratin, a protein responsible for creating strong, smooth nails. The nail matrix, the part under the cuticle where nails grow, slows down, leading to ridges. These ridges are more common after the age of 50, but some people notice them earlier. Are these ridges normal? Yes. If your nails are healthy, no discoloration, cracks, or pain, these ridges are just a cosmetic change. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Your nails reflect your diet. Your nails can reveal a lot about your diet. If you're lacking essential nutrients, your nails may show signs of stress, including ridges. Here are some common nutrient deficiencies linked to vertical ridges. Iron deficiency, anemia. Iron deficiency means your body can't produce enough red blood cells, leading to weak, ridged nails. Watch out for brittle nails. Pale or spoon-shaped nails, koilonychia. Fatigue, dizziness, or cold hands and feet. Vitamin B12 deficiency, essential for nail growth and cell production. If you're low in B12, you may notice ridges, thinning, or a bluish tinge to your nails. Tingling in your hands or feet. Memory problems or fatigue. Magnesium and zinc deficiencies, these minerals help produce keratin. Low levels may cause slow growing, weak nails. More prominent ridges. White spots on the nails. What to do? Eat iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat. Eat sources of B12 like eggs, fish, and fortified cereals. Eat nuts, seeds, and whole grains for magnesium and zinc. 3. Dehydration and dryness. Your nails need moisture, too. If your nails are brittle, flaky, or ridged, it may be a sign that they are too dry. Not drinking enough water can cause your nails to lose their flexibility, making ridges more visible. Frequent hand washing, using harsh soaps or disinfectants, and exposure to cleaning chemicals can strip moisture from your nails. Dry weather or low humidity can also make ridges worse. What to do? Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Apply cuticle oil or hand cream regularly. Wear gloves when using harsh cleaning products. 4. Underlying health conditions. When to worry. In rare cases, vertical nail ridges can be linked to health problems. Here are some possible conditions. Rheumatoid arthritis, RA. This autoimmune disease affects the joints and nails. Symptoms include deep ridges, thinning of the nails, joint pain and swelling. Circulatory problems, poor blood flow to the fingers can slow nail growth and lead to ridges. This may be due to diabetes, Raynaud's disease, cold fingers and discoloration in the hands, digestive problems, malabsorption problems. If your body doesn't absorb nutrients properly, it can affect your nails. Conditions such as celiac disease, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, can lead to nail ridges due to nutritional deficiencies. When should you see a doctor? Most vertical nail ridges are harmless, but you should seek medical advice if you notice the following: sudden, deep ridges appearing on multiple nails, brittle nails that break easily, discoloration, yellow, blue, or dark streaks, pain, swelling, or redness around the nail. If you have these symptoms, it's best to consult a doctor or dermatologist to rule out any underlying health issues. Now that you know the causes, let's talk about how to strengthen your nails and prevent ridges in the next section. Section 3. How to strengthen your nails. Now that we know what causes vertical nail ridges, let's talk about how to strengthen your nails and keep them looking healthy and smooth. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Nourish your nails from the inside out. Your nails need vitamins, minerals, and protein to grow strong. If your diet lacks these nutrients, your nails can become weak, brittle, and ridged. Here's what to eat for healthier nails. Iron-rich foods, spinach, lentils, red meat, and tofu help prevent brittle nails and ridges. Vitamin B12 sources, eggs, fish, dairy, and fortified cereals support healthy nail growth. Magnesium and zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, they help prevent ridges and white spots. Biotin, vitamin B7, this nail vitamin strengthens nails. Found in almonds, eggs, and sweet potatoes. Pro tip: if you struggle with nutrient deficiencies, consider a biotin supplement. Consult your doctor first. 2. Stay hydrated. Water equals stronger nails. Dehydration is a common cause of brittle and ridged nails. When your body lacks moisture, your nails dry out, peel, and become more fragile. Extra hydration tips. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. Cut back on alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate your nails. 3. Moisturize your nails and cuticles. Prevent dryness and cracks. Just like your skin, your nails need moisture to stay smooth and flexible. Dry nails are more prone to ridges, splitting, and peeling. Best nail moisturizers. Cuticle oil keeps nails hydrated and prevents breakage. Use jojoba oil, almond oil, or vitamin E oil. Hand cream, apply after washing your hands to lock in moisture. Petroleum jelly or shea butter, great for overnight hydration, apply before bed. Pro tip: massage cuticle oil into your nails daily for stronger, smoother nails. 4. Trim and file your nails gently, avoid rough treatment. How you cut and file your nails affects their strength. Using rough tools or filing incorrectly can make ridges worse. Use a glass or crystal nail file, these are gentler and prevent splitting. File in one direction, avoid sawing back and forth, which weakens nails. Trim regularly, keep nails at a moderate length to prevent breakage. Avoid metal nail files, as they can be too harsh and cause damage. 5. Protect your nails from harsh chemicals. Chemicals in cleaning products, nail polish removers, and even soaps can dry out your nails and make ridges worse. Things to avoid. Acetone-based nail polish removers, they strip moisture from nails. Harsh detergents and cleaning products, always wear gloves. Excessive hand sanitizer use, alcohol dries out nails. What to do instead? Use acetone-free nail polish remover. Wear rubber gloves when washing dishes or cleaning. Apply moisturizer after using hand sanitizer. 6. Don't overuse gel nails or acrylics, they weaken natural nails. Frequent use of gel nails, acrylics, or dip powders can damage your natural nails over time. Why are they bad for your nails? The removal process, soaking in acetone and scraping, thins out your nails. Buffing before application can make nails weaker and more brittle. Lack of oxygen under acrylics slows nail growth. Pro tip: if you love manicures, Opt for breathable nail polish or take breaks between gel applications to let your nails recover. 7. Strengthen your nails with natural remedies. If you want stronger, smoother nails, try these natural treatments. Lemon juice and olive oil soak strengthens nails and reduces ridges. Mix 1 tablespoon olive oil plus half a tablespoon lemon juice and soak for 10 minutes. Vitamin E oil massage hydrates and boosts nail growth. Apply a drop of vitamin E oil to each nail and massage for 5 minutes. Coconut oil treatment prevents brittle nails and fights fungal infections. Warm a little coconut oil and massage into your nails before bed. Final nail care tips. Don't bite or pick at your nails. Take breaks from nail polish to let your nails breathe. Don't use your nails as tools, e.g., opening soda cans. Eat a healthy diet and stay hydrated. So, which of these nail care tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.